Today I've got a real fun DIY project for all of you. Are you ready? This is called a pop filter, and I made this myself. A pop filter basically is a filter you put over a microphone to eliminate that like poppy sound that you'll get in some audio, like with your puzz and your buzz. You hear the like there's extra air that comes out. Sometimes it hits the mic and it's a little too harsh to our ear. So a pop filter helps eliminate that by filtering out that extra air. It hits right here rather than hitting the microphone. Brilliant. So I've got a couple supplies that you'll need. You probably already have these at home, or you can just run out to the local pharmacy and get them. First of all, you need a glue gun. I'm using a mini glue gun. You also use some kind of quick drying glue if you want, but you need adhesive for this. You also need scissors. You will need a pen. You will need a cup, and the cup is so that you can trace the outside of your filter. So make sure it is a wide enough circle so that you can put it over your microphone. And then I use the bottom part of this cup to trace the inside of the circle. So make sure you have two sort of circle stencils somewhere you get in your home, okay? You need some kind of heavy duty cardboard or thick paper. I'm using a thick cardstock paper, but feel free to reuse a cardboard box that you have laying around. And you need some pantyhose. Earlier, I took a little shopping trip to CVS to secure some of these pantyhose, and here is a little preview of that trip. We are in CVS right now, and I am looking for pantyhose. Usually like the first time you put them on, they just automatically have holes in them. I'm looking for those. This is it. This is what I'm looking for. Color doesn't matter. So let's find the cheapest ones they got. I just got really distracted by this really pretty glittery mermaid purse. So let's find, the cheapest thing I see is $4. I guess this is what you get when you're in a pinch for pantyhose. All right, this is what we're gonna get. $4 for that. Cute. So of course you can go out and buy your own pantyhose, or you can use ones you already have at home. Ladies, you know how often we throw away those pantyhose because they just get ruined so quickly. So rather than throwing them away, this is an awesome craft you can do with them. So now I'm gonna head over to my craft table and show you how I made this pop filter. Party time. To start out, draw two identical circles onto the cardboard with the large side of the cup. Then cut out the circles. You'll be left with two identical cardboard circles. Now take the smaller side of the cup and draw a smaller circle inside each of the larger circles. And very carefully proceed to cut those out. You'll be left with two identical rings. Ooh! Now it's time for pantyhose. Take the pantyhose out of the package. You only need to use one leg for this project. At the bottom of the pantyhose, you're going to cut off about 6 inches right at the foot. Then cut off the toe, and you'll get something that looks like this. Now take the scissors and cut the pantyhose long ways in half. This will give you a rectangle-shaped piece of pantyhose. Now take your hot glue gun and one dot at a time, add some glue, and then stretch your pantyhose to stick onto the ring. If you put all the glue on at once, it will dry too fast. So make sure you do little bits at a time until you have completely adhered the pantyhose to the ring. Make sure you get the pantyhose nice and stretched out over the ring.
so that there aren't any creases and it's a nice thin layer of pantyhose going through the middle of the ring. Now that was the hardest part. Once that's complete, just take a little bit more glue from your hot glue gun, put it around the other ring, and secure it onto your pop filter so that the pantyhose is right in the middle. It's like a pantyhose sandwich. It's okay if there's a little bit of excess pantyhose sticking out because you'll just trim that with your scissors. Now use your hot glue gun just to make sure the pop filter is nice and secure and all stuck together. And there you go.
Wasn't that fun and easy? That's all you need. Now you just kind of clamp it, use a paper clip or a clamp and put it right in front of your microphone, or hold it there while you're recording voiceover, and you've got your very own pop filter. How cool was that? Let me know if this was helpful to you. Do you like these DIY projects? What do you want to see me DIY next? I love doing crafts. I love doing crafts. So hit me up in the comments. Bye. Refreshing.